What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another portfolio update. Excited to show you guys the changes in the portfolio from today, as well as anything on my radar for the rest of the week. If you guys could smash the like, that would be greatly appreciated, and welcome to all the new followers. Just want to address one quick question that I thought was a good one and that many people probably wonder, and it's why do I feature 3 different apps essentially to show the different portfolios. So Schwab owns Thinkorswim. So Thinkorswim is just a much more advanced trading platform, but Schwab owns that. So it's basically the same. And then I like to keep some of the more degenerate type of plays and spreads and different things like that on the Robinhood. So that's why I show Schwab account and then the Thinkorswim for the options and then the Robinhood as well. So let's get into it. Today's stock account, not much movement. Here are the stocks. Any movers today? Let's see. We got Tesla down 1%, Shopify up 1.9%, CrowdStrike down 2%, and Riot with a nice 5% move. Let's look at the cash. Brokerage cash is now a little higher, sitting at $22.31. Let's look at the moves. I made a couple moves in this portfolio as well as others. So let's look. So first thing, I got a little Meta dividend, and then I sold. Actually, so let's look at yesterday, the 25th. I rolled my Microsoft 380 cover call to 385, and I paid a small debit in order to do that. I moved it from 927 out into 11.1. So I know it's not preferable to move out several months, but that's just what I had to do, even in paying a debit. So still just trying to catch up with Microsoft. And then today, I sold 2 Snow cash secured puts, strike price of 104, and collected $486 in premium. And that's going to be expiration date of 11/1. Just quickly looking at the Snow chart, it just looks like it's forming a nice bottoming out, and I'm still a ways away. So right now it's at basically 112, and my strike price is all the way down at 103. So that would have to move down quite a bit when it's already down quite a bit. So I feel my strike is 104, not 103. So I feel pretty confident about that one. Let's see. Next thing I did was actually I'll cover that last because it involves crypto. Don't think there was any changes in this account. I was considering maybe buying another leap on Celsius, but I'm waiting for tomorrow's price action. Still just holding the Ethereum in here, up 3%, and that was it. If you guys watch my short, you will see that I bought $2,000 worth of Beam. So the portfolio is absolutely exploding today in the crypto portfolio, up to a all-time high of 149,000. It was only a few days ago that this portfolio was in like 95,000. That was on September 18th, 95,000. And now we're at 150 grand basically. Aerodrome, my largest position, is absolutely exploding at this point, up another 19% today. Aerodrome, if we look at the monthly chart, is up 74% in the past month. So I'm definitely glad that I made that my largest position. If you believe in Coinbase, then you believe in Aerodrome. That's basically the only due diligence you need. Not financial advice, of course, you should look into it. I'm just kind of being funny, but Aerodrome is basically the coin of Coinbase because Coinbase does not have a coin. Render up 7%, Ondo up 7%, Echelon Prime with another 10% move. Beam was up 8%, so that's the 2,000 that I added to that one. Pith up 10%, Brett up 16%, and Dog with Fat up 10%. So this is all, again, while Bitcoin is just ranging. Bitcoin's at 65,000. So it's definitely now in a positive momentum. We now have made a higher low prior to closing above the 64, 65,000, we were just making series of lower lows. And who knows if we hold it, right? This portfolio is going to pull back in a massive way if Bitcoin breaks down again. But if we've already seen the bottom, then this portfolio is definitely going to minimum 500K, in my opinion. Lastly, looking at the options, near-term expiring options, I'm going to start just featuring options that expire in the next 2 weeks. I don't think anyone really cares about options that are way far out. So we have Riot that expires tomorrow. That's $8 cover call, currently sitting at $7.81. So that should be fine unless Riot does really well tomorrow, which is fine with me. I'll just roll it out another week and then move that from 8 to probably 850. We have also Enphase 112 calls expiring tomorrow, and Enphase right now is at 113. So that'll come down to the wire once again. No problem rolling that from 112 to 114 if I have to, and pushing that one out another week. That's not in the near term, and neither is that. So those are our near-term expiring options. I was attempting to sell my last cover call on Shopify as Shopify breaks $80 now. So I just couldn't get it filled at the very end of the day. So hopefully I'll be able to do that tomorrow if we do have another green candle from my beloved Shopify. I think that was it. So I bought the Beam, updated you guys on that. I'll probably sell some cover calls on Celsius Leaps tomorrow if we're having a positive day tomorrow. And then, yeah, I told you guys about the snow as well as the Microsoft roll. So that was all for all of this update. Appreciate all you guys so much for constantly tuning in and liking the videos and commenting. If you have any questions, concerns, or constructive criticism, drop it down below in the comments. And as always, take care and God bless.